The following message is transmitted to the EAS Police Department. A weird man wearing a black shirt, a black French hat and glasses has stepped into downtown of the Fort Wayne city with a rifle gun in his hand. The suspect hasn't killed anyone yet, but people should stay away from this guy at all cost. The following message is transmitted to the EAS Police Department. The same man with the rifle in his hand has just shot and killed 3 people on the road of the city. The police came after the man, but 2 people in a black car helped him get away. Please stay inside your homes to avoid getting killed by this madman. The following message is transmitted to the EAS Police Department. The same man with the rifle in his hand and a few other lunatics have started to do crazy crimes against the city, such as robbing banks, stealing cars and killing innocent people. The police are trying their best to stop these insane criminals at once. Please stay inside your homes and hide from these insane people at once. The following message is transmitted to the EAS Police Department. A war between the police and the weird strange man who calls himself Swordmaster and his criminal friends, and millions have people are getting caught in the battle of it all. Please stay inside and be safe from this all-out war.